Had to make a lift for the transmission. Worked perfectly. Now it's time to get it under the car. I put it on the transmission jack, but it's too high for the car. Can't get it under there. So I'll try to move it with blocks under the car and then try to get the transmission jack under the transmission. It's going to be tough. 10 minutes later, it's in line with the engine. Now it has to go up. I'll try to jack it up from the rear. See how that works. Working the transmission up with a car jack from the Mazda. See if it will work. A centimetre more and then the transmission jack can go under it. Got it under there. Now it should be easy. It's under there.